Hi friends, we'll be doing fried rice today. So before we start, I'm keeping everything um, ready for the cooking. So I have some chopped carrot, some chopped beans, spring onions, and I'm actually running out of red capsicum today. So I'm covering it with red pepper for good coloring. And these are stems of spring onion. So I'm keeping boiled basmati rice ready, and I'm keeping the oil on the pan ready for me to fry all the vegetables. So we need to boil the vegetables, not all of them, just carrot and beans, and boil them just for 5 minutes and make sure it's on the medium flame. So when you add this to the fried rice, it will be a little crispier from the vegetables. You cannot have both cooked too well, so it won't be good. Alright friends, we boiled the vegetables and kept them ready, and we also kept boiled water separately, vegetable water separately. Keep this handy, so it will be helpful when you are making the fried rice, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Alright friends, so I'm keeping the oil hot and adding the spring onions to it, and we'll also add some onions from the roots of the spring onions, chopped onions. So I'm adding onions as well. If you prefer, you can add garlic, and I'm also adding chopped red pepper just for the coloring. So now once it gets settled, you just need to stir it for a minute, and then you can immediately add your half boiled vegetables. Okay, you don't need to wait for it to be turning out to golden brown. So now adding the half boiled vegetables here. For anything that you want to fry, always keep this in mind, that you should keep stirring. You should not let it settle, because if you let it settle, then it won't evenly fry. Now pinch of salt goes in.
What is it?
So pinch of salt is being added depending on how much rice you are going to add. Okay. So now once you stir it again, then you will add rice to it. And always remember, you never want to add soya sauce to the vegetables directly, because once the vegetable catches the soya sauce flavor, it won't really taste good in your mouth. So always make sure you add the rice first and then add the soya sauce to the rice first. So now I am adding rice to it. And like I said, always remember, never add soya sauce to the vegetables directly. That kind of spoils the flavor altogether. Okay. Now once you have added the rice, just add soya sauce a little, and it should all be sprinkled. Never just add it to one side of the rice. Okay. Now once you add soya sauce, you want to now utilize your boiled water and just sprinkle it. Always remember, it should also be sprinkled. You will not add directly anything. Okay, this is where the secret of adding the fried rice to the flavors comes in. Okay, and now as you can mix, you will see the lovely colors turning on, and if you have added oil properly, then rice kinds of tosses. Okay, now depending on how comfortable you are, for fried rice you want to actually toss the rice, but depending on the vessel you use, and your comfort level, you can also just roll and fold. This kind of also helps. And when you are adding and mixing everything for fried rice, the flame should always be in the high flame. It's not in the slow flame, okay? Because the rice is already cooked and properly boiled, and only it's your vegetables that needs to just catch some heat to kind of properly be cooked. You just want to stir it, and once done, it's ready to be served in the plate. So friends, once you stir it well, and depending on your taste preference, you may also want to add some red chili powder to it. So once it is all mixed well, it's ready to be served. So guys, once you serve it into the plate, your lovely colorful mixed vegetable fried rice is ready to be served. Please do try it and let me know what do you want to see it in our next videos. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and if you liked the way it was done, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you. Thanks everyone.